Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making assorted pepper soup. So what I usually do is the kidney part, I boil it, drain out the water and wash it because I just don't like the taste in pepper soup. So I have it on the fire and I've drained out the water. So I like to use a little bit of prawns. So this is the head of prawns. I take it out, then I blend it, filter it into the meat. So I'm using assorted, you can see it. I'm filtering it into the meat. That's because I don't want sand into it. Then I'm going to season it with so I'm adding my other seasoning. So that's my pepper blend. I have my pepper and my onion with a little bit of garlic, which is optional. I'm also going to be adding stock cube and a little bit of salt. Now the water is not much, that's just for spice to make the meat actually taste better. So I've added more onion into the meat. I'll stir properly, make sure all the seasonings are combined, then I would cover and let it come to a boil. Now the meat is a little bit strong, so I cooked for about 20 minutes adding water before now. So I'm adding my catfish now, and I'm going to add more water for it to get cooked. So the catfish has been cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to take it off the heat and add my remaining spice. I'm adding crayfish. I'm adding my yam now. I'm using yam and plantain because this is actually pepper soup for yam and plantain. So I'm going to add more pepper for more spice. It's pepper soup, so we need it to be hot. And I'm adding pepper soup spice. That's to amplify it. I'm using two different leaves. I'm using utazi. That's a little bit of bitterness, and I'm using scent leaf. Yeah, to amplify that taste. So I'm going to add a little bit of water because it's pepper soup. We need more liquid in it. I'm going to stir properly, make sure everything is combined, and I am going to cover and let it cook until the yam is cooked. So intervals, I checked if the yam is cooked, then I take it, or if not, I add more water until the yam is cooked. So the yam is cooked here. I'm taking the yam off the heat. So after taking the yam off the heat, I added the fish back into the pepper soup because we need it to be all spicy and cooked for more 5 minutes. So here you can see me, I'm trying to cut the plantain and the yam into biteable slices, and I'm going to be adding palm oil to it and a little bit of salt and pepper, that's if necessary. So you can see me, voila, the food is ready, looking all beautiful, looking all lumptious. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel and you have watched this far, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to this channel, please, so that YouTube algorithm will show my video to other people. All right, thank you so much. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, I appreciate it for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I am going to be bringing to you awesome recipes, so see you in my next recipe video. I love you. Tell me, what do you think about this recipe? I would like to know in the comment section. See you in my next recipe. Bye for now.